What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Corrupted Bee from Alphabet Lore. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the eye. We're going to start with the top edge. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that down on the right. Let's round out the side of the eye. Starting on the left, bend this out and then in. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now let's close off the bottom of the eye with a curve. Now we want to layer the left eye in behind. From the top left corner, step in, curve this up, and then bend that down. Let's round out the side of the eye, coming in, and then we'll tuck this down and in on the left side. Now directly underneath the left eye, let's step down, draw on the nose with a straight line coming down, curve this up towards the right eye, and then bend that down. Let's add some drips underneath the eye. Curve this down and then up. Bend this back down. It's going to wrap this around the right side of the eye, going up. Let's add a fold underneath the left eye. From this corner, curve around, and just tuck that in toward the side of the nose. Now I'm going to place the mouth over on the left side underneath this fold. So I'll step down, bend this up and out. Down and in, curve this across and then in behind that drip. Now let's add in some teeth. From the top right, step down, angle this down towards the bottom, and step up, draw a straight line going across. Let's fill in that bottom area. Now from the bottom we're going to step up, draw a straight line going up, then stepping up, draw a straight line coming in, and we'll fill in the bottom. Let's add a fold around the top corner of the mouth, going around, down, and then in. Now we're going to work our way around the top of the head, just lining up with the edge of the nose above the eye, angle this up and out. Let's round out the top of the bee, go up toward the top, then the side coming down, and we just want to hook this in. Let's add a fold. We're going to step back, go out, down, and then in. Let's draw on the bottom of the bee. Starting from the side, go out, come all the way around toward the bottom, and just bend that in. Let's add some drips coming down from the face. From the tip of the nose, we'll step in, draw a straight line coming down. Let's move over towards the right side, draw a straight line coming down. Now we're going to add some drips across the bottom. Round out the bottom, go up, then the top, come down towards the right. Let's add one more wave, coming up, and then back down. Now I'm going to add a pull along the bottom of the body, starting on the left side, curve out, round up the end, and just pull this in. Then another curve, going out toward the left, across the bottom, and then bend that in. Let's go all the way out towards the right, going out, bend that in, add one more curve, going up and in underneath. Let's move all the way up to the top and add some more drips. Starting from the top, bend this out and down. Round this out, go out, and bend that down towards the left side. Let's go back up to the top and work our way across towards the right. Going out and then down. Let's add that drip, bring that back up. Let's add one more. Coming down towards the bottom. Bend this up towards the right side. Now I'm going to add a glitch effect along the outside of the body. Let's start from the top left, a straight line going across, down the side, and close off the bottom. Let's add a few more around the body. Fill each of those areas in black. Now let's go back and add a pattern inside each of these 3 areas. Start with some squares and rectangles. Just going to randomize the size and shape and put them in random areas. Now let's fill the inside, working around each of those squares. Now let's go back and add the eyelids. Across the right eye, go a little bit higher on the left. And just adding a fold across the brow, the bottom corner of the mouth. And we'll add a few smaller glitch effects inside the body. And after we've added a little bit more detail, we'll sun our artwork and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's our Corrupted Bee from Alphabet Lore. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.